How to set up a Wise bank account. Welcome back. Today, I'm excited to guide you step by step through the full registration process for setting up a Wise bank account. If you're new here, Wise is a fantastic platform for sending, spending, and receiving money internationally at low fees. To get started, you'll first need to visit the Wise website or download their app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. The first step here is to open the Wise app on your phone or visit their website on PC. The steps are same on both. After that, enter your email address in the provided field, and then click on Next to move forward. Now, Wise will ask you what type of account you would like to open today. You'll typically have two options, a personal account or a business account. If your goal is to send, spend, or receive money for personal use, you should select the personal account option. But don't stress if you think you might need a business account later on. Wise makes it super easy to add a business profile using the same email address whenever you're ready. This flexibility is perfect if you're considering freelancing or running an international business in the future. Next, Wise will ask you to confirm your country of residence. It's really important to select the country where you live most of the time. This isn't just a formality. By law, Wise may need to verify your address, and they could ask you for documents like a utility bill or a bank statement showing your current living address. So be sure to pick the country where you actually reside to avoid any issues later. And that's pretty much it for the initial setup. Once you complete these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying all the great features that Wise has to offer. Now let's move on to the next steps to successfully sign up for your Wise account. After selecting your country, you have to fill in your phone number. And on that phone number, Wise will send you the code to set up authentication. It's a crucial step in setting up account on Wise. Once you write your phone number, then enter the code. After that, you are done. Next, Wise will ask you to create and confirm a passcode for your account. It's important to create a strong passcode that contains at least one letter, one number, and has a minimum of 9 characters. If you prefer, you can toggle the option to make your passcode visible as you type, so you can double-check that it's entered correctly. Once you complete these steps, your basic Wise registration should be completed almost instantly. Now all you to do is to set up Face ID or a passcode as per your device. Once you are done with that, your security will become more tight and fragile. But there's one more important phase to ensure your account is fully set up. After the initial registration, you'll be asked to provide some personal details to properly verify your identity. Here, it's crucial to accurately enter your full legal first name, middle name, if you have one, and last name, exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID. You'll also need to confirm your date of birth and your verified phone number. In my case, I had already verified my number, so I was able to move forward directly to the next step. Now comes the part where you provide your home address, including your city and postal code. It's very important that the address you submit matches the information on official documents, like your passport, national ID, or driver's license. Later on, when Wise asks you to verify your identity for higher limits and full access to features, having matching details will make the process smooth and prevent any restrictions on your account. And just like that, your Wise account should now be created. After this, Wise may guide you to complete a few additional verification steps. This could involve uploading a photo ID, confirming your residency status, and filling in any missing details. You can easily complete all of this within your Wise account settings whenever you're ready. Finally, to start using Wise services such as sending or receiving money, you'll need to fund your account. Wise makes this simple. You can add money through a bank transfer, a debit card, or another supported payment method. You'll be able to select the amount you want to add, choose your local currency, and pick the payment method that works best for you. Once your account is funded, you're all set to take full advantage of Wise's fast and low-cost international money services. At this point, you'll want to add funds directly into your Wise account. For example, you can choose a currency like British pounds or any other currency that fits your needs, and then simply click Continue. Wise will then prompt you to connect a funding source. This could be your personal bank account, a debit card, or any other supported payment method. Just follow the easy on-screen instructions based on the option you select and complete the process. And just like that, you're all set. You've now officially created and funded your Wise account. The next step is to take a few moments to explore the powerful features that Wise has to offer. Inside your dashboard, you'll find services such as international money transfers at low rates, multi-currency accounts where you can hold and convert dozens of currencies, and so much more. Imagine a world where sending money abroad feels as easy as sending a text. That's the world Wise creates. No hidden fees, no inflated exchange rates, just real money moving at real speed. With Wise, you can hold dozens of currencies, pay like a local anywhere, and even get a global debit card to spend worldwide. It's not just banking, it's freedom without borders. Whether you're a traveler, a freelancer, or just someone tired of paying too much, Wise is the smarter way to move your money across the world. So there you have it, guys. You've successfully completed the full registration and initial setup for your Wise banking account. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for even more valuable tutorials coming your way from Online Medium. Until next time.